love a witness to the world, and your union a sign of God's enduring presence among His people. Miggy, love Ayana for the sake of your children that God will give you. Ayana, love Miggy, not because it is your obligation, but that is the covenant. That is your vocation given by God.
Stars with a breath, you say. Moonbeams with ribbons to light the way. Hand in hand, like a fire in the wind. You begin where I begin. Always and forevermore.
We may be imperfect, but we chose patience, understanding, and commitment to reach this moment. I know there will still be challenges ahead, but I promise to always choose you.
Dearest Stan, I can wait to call you my husband. Please accept this simple gift as a reminder that I always stand by you, support you in every schooling and training, believe in your dreams. I love you and I will choose you every single day for the rest of my life. Ayana.
To my bride, this gift is a reminder that every second of my life is yours. Ang oras ay minsang naging mahirap para sa atin. Pero pinatunayan nito kung gaano katatag ang pagmamahal natin. Mula ngayon, bawat segundo ay para sa atin habang buhay.
Always and forevermore. You are my soul,
Miggy,
my shore.
pag umugin palangga si Ayana, ginpalangga ka na sang Diyos. Ayana, pag ka nag-umpisa nga palanggaon si Miggy, ginpalangga ka na sang Diyos.
Would you be everything I wanted in a lover and an accomplice? Could you be her? Would you feel together and inebriated?
To my first love, my first boyfriend, and my husband to be, I am forever grateful and deeply honored that God allowed our paths to cross. Our meeting was unexpected and happened during one of the most chaotic and frightening times in the world, the pandemic. While fear and loss surrounded us, and while we were both risking our lives in service to others, our love quietly began to grow. It is truly ironic that when many were losing their loved ones, I found my true love.
To misinterpret images of our innocence and vestiges of virtue. Would you feel pity for the masses who are adding and subtracting?
You are my safe place, my comfort, my confidant, and my pride. For 5 years, we endured distance, busy schedules, and many challenges. Yet our love remains stronger than every obstacle we faced.
I wanna see what lovers say to you. I wanna feel what lovers feel with you. I wanna do with you the songs that matter the way we used to do. I wanna do what lovers do with you. I wanna walk the edge of the earth with you. I wanna say to you the minute we feel the heat. Would you be my lover? My lover? My lover? Would you be?
Ayana, do you take Miggy here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
I do, Father.
Remember that your home is to be a place of prayer. If you want your love to be strong, pray together. A family that prays together stays together.
Simple as the mist in the morning light.
Miggy Lanes Tumelina, today I dedicate my life to you. I submit myself to you as your wife. Tarindio gracias na con todo alto Dios na yadale contigo conmigo. Taamayo contigo, itadale el di mio entero corazón, alma y fuerza na di mio marido. And that is how I say I love you in Chabacano.
Today, pinili kita hindi dahil perfect tayo, kundi dahil natutunan nating umintindi, magpatawad, at lumaban para sa relasyon natin. I promise to be patient kapag mahirap, to listen kahit galit tayo, and to always choose love over pride.
You are God-fearing, family-oriented, principled, a natural leader, a good provider, and above all, a kind and gentle soul.
May your marriage be a place of peace, generosity, and welcome. A place where love is renewed daily and a witness to others of God's faithfulness.
From this day forward, kahit malayo o malapit man tayo, pangakong ikaw ang uuwian ko, ikaw ang pahinga ko at ikaw makakasama ko sa lahat ng bukas. Pinipili kita ngayon, bukas at habang buhay.